Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kesorkar jela mentah kalau penkret syat-syat ban penkenriano ye kinong tray jong keselong municipal board na ka office tray kam basipor ka badan Habiwa road kenang ban yo penkenria pat ya kinong tray jong ka municipal ki basyong basa hatem yo maulong. Haka jing ya keren bat ka Batisi TV haka arfu artari ko benai naiwing arajar arfu wei usembut menteri rang ba ka jela uba preston tensong uli atho ba ka jing penkenria ye kinong tray jong ka municipal na tem yo maulong kan sedang nado ka bakut tayo jong ni benai naiwing bat hadin kani ka sorkar jela kan sa sedang pat ban kendang saya ki breu ki basyong basa beain hapo ka tem yo maulong.
Mentang mengeping lah dep syong ke kabinet chisit. Nila pediang ya ka report jong ka HLC haka government level ke kabinet bat ka baar ka bangila ai ke direction ya ka urban affairs department bahkan work out ke propose project ka bikin le anti. Number 3 ngila take over ya ka ngila take over ya ka land ngila we have taken possession of the land ya kata orang ngila dep. Then number 4 ke steps ke pasal kolong mentang lain section ya ka municipal board bahkan shift no ik office jongki immediately ngatrai lakmuru last part jong uni benai kin shift no ya ka te ka office jongki ke temporary office ka ba day ke quarters na ke mentah ki employees bahkan shift no sia ka tu ke temporary office ka bangila pendek de mentah kala don ha ka final stage kala dep ya ka painting kala le ikini ki repairing berkoi de most likely ko mongi towards the end maybe most likely maybe this week or maybe next week they will shift their office. Once the office is shifted, again we have instructed ia kaneka municipal board bahkan repair pada ia katuka quarters. Kabangi pelong office terus kata bagi repair no ia katuka quarters but kenang ba anla ada repair nadok sedong kansa kinsa shift pada ia kituki employees jong ke municipal. Kata pada kalau bagi employees jong ke municipal hantai hapo hakate ke jaka kaba kilong office temporary office adu mata kata kadika status ka bagi don adu mata. Let us not discuss right now because the duty of the government is what to make sure that shifting of the employees from that place takes place. So right now we have instructed Shillong Municipal Board to shift their temporary office immediately to the office provided by the government somewhere in that nearby only in the quarters and hopefully they'll be able to do that I think towards the end of this month. I told you once the employees shifted that temporary office to another place we have instructed municipal board CEO to get these quarters repaired. Because that was office. It was converted into office, temporary office of municipal board. I think you understand that. So now we have already instructed the moment you shifted your office, make sure immediately that repairing work should also start simultaneously so that the employees of the Shillong Municipal Board staying in that place can be shifted to a permanent quarters. That's why CM also has given the statement, those 40 employees, maximum of them, they are from different departments. They shifted. And then those who are yet to shift, we have already requested all the concerned department, please take out your employees and provide them quarters in your respective offices, in your respective places. For that, I will not comment anything because this is done according to the close consultation with the Advocate General and the legal teams of the government. Kaan can follow. Hadin mengla shift lut ya kini employees next eviction act will apply. You can open. Damai katakan wan kamadin. Nama dia mentah ngong pingi ngidang ke consent jengi maximum kolong bangin provide quarters ya kini ki genuine employees jong ke municipal board as well as different department of the state government. Sebenarnya bangilah ai ke direction. Siapa ke Urban Affairs Department. Bagian walk out ke ke begitu ban le. Nomor satu kan long ke beautification. Dok beautification lah kalau ban long ke shopping mall. Kalau ban long ke let's say kalau ban long ke parking lot, lain kan ke badai. Dia kata ngamla ban jumpa pengamenta. Nomor bayar kan ni we have already entrusted to Urban Affairs Department to combat, to accommodate the proposal for utilization of that